Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sign up for DoorDash. First, you have to go to dasher.doordash.com. Once the land page in, you have to go to top right corner and select or hit sign up. And now you have to provide them your postal code and select next. You also have to provide them your email address and select next. And you also have to provide the a phone number. And once you provide your phone number and check on the box, go to sign up, then click on sign up. And for the rest of the video, follow my instructions. Then on the next page, you have to enter your legal first name, legal middle name, and legal last name, and then type your password and confirm it. After that, you have to click on continue, and now you have to provide your vehicle. After you choose your vehicle type, you will have to add more and more information about your vehicle. And if you have your vehicle insurance, just click that box right there and then click on continue. After that, you will have to scan your driver license, so click on continue, and then you have to take a photo of that in front of your driver's license. So simply click on take a picture, or if you want, you can proceed another device and click on continue on another device. Then this tab is only for making sure that this is you. And now you will click on continue on another device, and then you will choose the verification method on another device. You will have to simply choose send SMS. Then you will have to enter your phone number and then click on send secure link. And now it will show you here this message that check your device. After doing this step of verification, you will see here this message that you have successfully verified your ID and facial scan. Click on continue, and then you have to enter this data like your date birth, social security number, confirm your security number, driver license date, driver license number, and after that you have to check if your invoice is correct or not. If you want to receive a copy of a background check report, you can simply click on that check button and then click on continue, and after that it will show you the process of administration and signing up. And then once you are a dasher, you will see here the page of congratulating you that you are an official a dasher. That's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.